Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Ford Mustang 98 guy. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2002 Hyundai Santa Fe V6 four-wheel drive. Today, I'm going to give you all a full and in-depth review on the Santa Fe. We'll start the engine, show it off, go some performance details, show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Show you the key real quick. It's got an aftermarket alarm on it. Silver exterior with gray leather interior. It only has 168,000 kilometers. Fires right up. Automatic driver's side window. 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission, I believe. Leather shift knob here. You also have manual shifting. So, flip on the headlights. Hazards. Fog lights already on. Now we'll check out the exterior, shall we? Both front fog lights work, headlights work, emergency flashers work. Everything is 100% working in this vehicle. Pop the hood. I should have. And we'll pop the hood. Heavy door. It's a 2.7 liter Dover head cam 24 valve V6. There's your battery. Fuse box right there. Close the hood. Your power door locks here. Power windows. Chrome door handle there. Storage. Full manual driver's seat. It's your fuel cap release. Manual tilting steering wheel. Alright guys. Fuck off, Dinger. Let's go ahead and see how she revs. Sounds amazing, not bad. Engine sounds great. Huh? Alright, that's good enough. It's all cold outside. I don't want to rev it too much. Climate control right here. Fan speed, temperature right there. You have your different zones, front defrost, circulation, your air conditioning is right there. It's very easy to use. Over here is rear defrost. Your hazards right here and your front fog lights. Standard AM/FM radio with CD player. You can also it's all there. So what do I do if I can't figure it out? Radio sounds great. Your cup holder there. Your right here. You have another cup holder right here. Same on this side. You also have heated seats for the driver and passenger. Storage right there. E-brake. Well, you got a little ashtray right here. Cigarette lighter, power outlet. Little power outlet down below. Cruise control on the steering wheel right here. Headlights and turn signals. Your wipers. You have low speed and there's high speed. It's a Hyundai, gotta love it. Your vanity light. Sunglass storage. Place to put your sunglasses up here. You have your interior lights right there. Manual dimming rearview mirror. Digital clock right there. Over here, you have your temperature, your tachometer, your speedometer, and your gas gauge. And your gear selector right here. See, I'm in neutral, and then there's drive, and then there's manual shift mode. So I think it's a little bit burnt out over here, if you can tell. So until I click it out of neutral, until I go into drive, you don't see the... See, I'm in drive right now, and you don't see the light on anymore. So I don't know what the issue is on that. Anyways, it's an old vehicle anyways, so what are you going to expect it? And your rear wiper. Alright, so we're going to check out the back seat. We'll continue on. You have your power mirrors right there. Storage down there, power windows. You have your interior light on. You have your interior lights right there. Ashtray, cup holders. Little armrest here. And you just rest your arms right there. Very simple, very easy to use. Little door handle, little ocean handles right there with coat hooks. You also have an ocean handle on the passenger side as well. Now we're going to check out the trunk. And you can see you can fit something like that back there. Depends on what kind of load you're going to put back here. For example, these two set of chairs. Same deal on this side. Power windows, storage down there, full manual passenger seat. Little box. Mirror and vanity light right there. Set it down. Hope you guys enjoy full in-depth review on the 2002 Hyundai Santa Fe V6. Be sure to stay tuned next time for a lot more that came from. Stay tuned for my next video, and we'll see you next time.